Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of concrete technology. That is, what is permeability? Explain factors affecting the permeability of concrete. So let's start. First of all, what is permeability? So we know that 38% of water by weight of cement is required to fill up the gel pores. If more than 38% of water is used, then it will take the space in the concrete, so it will cause the capillary cavities and the concrete becomes porous. Now porous concrete has a higher permeability. The pores in the cement paste consist of gel pores and capillary pores. The pores in the concretes due to incomplete compactions are voids of larger size which give a honeycomb structure leading to concrete of low strength are not considered here. The gel is porous to the extent of 28%, but the gel pores are so small that hardly any water can pass through under normal conditions. Now we will discuss factors affecting permeability, that is water cement ratio, properties of cement, aggregate, absorption and homogeneity of concrete, curing, use of admixture, age of concrete. Now we will see it in a detail. First, water cement ratio. For the paste hydrated to the same degree, the permeability is lower with lower water cement ratio or higher cement content. Okay, as we know, water cement ratio is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of cement. So higher cement content will be there, the water cement ratio will be less, then the lesser water ratio or lower water ratio will give the lower permeability. Okay, you can see the graph of permeability versus water cement ratio. Next is properties of cement. The permeability of concrete is affected also by the properties of cement. For the same water cement ratio, coarse cement tends to produce a paste with a higher porosity than the finer cement. As we know, coarse particles have higher porosity. In general, higher the strength of cement paste, the lower will be the permeability. Next is aggregate. The permeability of aggregate affects the behavior of the concrete. If the aggregate has a very low permeability, its presence reduces the effective area over which flow can take place. Further, since the flow path has to circumvent the aggregate particles, the effective path becomes considerably longer and permeability is reduced. Okay. For a given water cement ratio, greater the maximum size of aggregate, greater is the permeability. This is because of the relatively large voids. Well-graded aggregate reduces the permeability. Absorption and homogeneity of concrete. The volume of pore space in concrete is measured by absorption. Absorption is a physical process by which concrete draws water into its pores and capillaries. The absorption depends upon the structure of the concrete. Non-homogeneity affects the permeability. The defects in concrete due to cracks in the structure, void spaces due to segregation or honeycombing increases the absorption. The permeability can be reduced by workable mix so that segregation is avoided. Next is curing. Continued hydration of the cement paste result in the reduction in the size of voids, which decreases the permeability. So proper curing of concrete decreases the permeability of concrete. Okay. Use of admixture. Use of waterproofing admixture reduces permeability of lean mix. In general, the use of extra cement will be more effective in reducing the permeability. Age of concrete. The permeability of cement paste also varies with the age of concrete or with the degree of hydration. In a fresh paste, the flow of water is controlled by the size, shape, concentration of the original cement grains. With the progress of hydration, the permeability decreases rapidly because the gross volume of gel is approximately 2.1 times the volume of the unhydrated cement. I hope all of you have clear about this. Thank you.